Over 6 years, I built and tested 17 trading strategies under my own framework. I rejected 14 of them. 3 survived. This is the story of why I built that framework, and why most strategies you'll see online wouldn't pass even one of its tests. In 2020, I lost real money on a strategy that back-tested beautifully. 312% in 3 years. Sharp ratio above 2. Maximum drawdown under 15%. It worked in sample. It worked in paper trading. Then I deployed it live, and it died in 7 weeks. I spent the next 18 months trying to understand why. The answer wasn't that the strategy was bad. The answer was that the backtest had lied to me, and I had let it. I had only run the tests that the strategy could pass. I hadn't run the ones it would fail. By 2022, I had a framework. 8 specific ways to try to break a strategy before trusting it with capital. Most strategies I ran through, it scored 1 or 2 out of 8. Today, I want to show you all 8. Here are the 8. Every time I evaluate a strategy on this channel, you'll see this scorecard. Memorize the order, you'll see it again. 1. Walk forward validation. Test on past, simulate the future. 2. Monte Carlo simulation. 10,000 alternate timeline runs. 3. Parameter neighborhood stability. Does it still work if I change the inputs by 1%? 4. Data drift resilience. Does it still work if the underlying data shifts slightly? 5. Out-of-sample minimum sample size. 500 trades minimum, or it's not a sample. 6. No repaint. Signals must be confirmed at bar close, not mid-bar. 7. No calendar or time-of-day filters. If your strategy only works Tuesday morning, it's not a strategy. It's a coincidence. 8. Locked parameters since the day the strategy was finalized. No tuning. Ever. Each test kills a specific kind of fake-looking strategy. Let me show you. Walk forward kills strategies that overfit recent data. If your strategy was optimized in 2024 and tested in 2024, it didn't pass. It memorized. Monte Carlo kills strategies that look great on average, but die in tail cases. If even 10% of the simulated paths underperform, that's the path you might actually trade. Parameter neighborhood kills curve fits. If RSI 14 works, but RSI 13 and RSI 15 fail, you didn't find an edge. You found a pixel. Data drift kills strategies that depend on exact tick precision. Real markets are noisy. Your edge must survive that noise. Out-of-sample minimum kills strategies with too few signals. 47 trades is not a sample size. It's a story. No repaint kills strategies that lie about their entries. If the indicator changes after the bar closes, your backtest is fiction. Calendar filters kill strategies that found a historical coincidence. Real edges don't care what day it is. Locked parameters kill the temptation to retune. If you keep adjusting, you're not testing. You're performing. Here's what happens when I run 17 strategies through this framework. I'll go fast. No names. These were my own builds. Strategy 1. RSI mean reversion. Past walk forward. Failed parameter neighborhood. 2 out of 8. Strategy 2. Bollinger breakout. Failed walk forward immediately. 1 out of 8. Strategy 3. VBWAP pullback. 3 out of 8. Strategy 4. MACD divergence. 0 out of 8. Embarrassing. Strategy 5. Opening range breakout. 4 out of 8. Close, but I reject anything under 7. Strategy 6. Gap fade. 2 out of 8. Strategy 7. Super trend, trend follow. 5 out of 8. Still rejected. Strategy 8. Order block reversal. 1 out of 8. Strategy 9. Support resistance bounce. 3 out of 8. Strategy 10. Kill zone based scalper. 2 out of 8. Strategy 11. Smart money concept order flow. 4 out of 8. Strategy 12. Harmonic patterns. 0 out of 8. Strategy 13. Wyckoff accumulation. 3 out of 8. Strategy 14. Liquidity sweep reversal. 6 out of 8. Rejected. 3 strategies left. Strategy 15. An adaptive NASDAQ system I built from scratch. 8 out of 8. Strategy 16. A Russell 2000 variant. 8 out of 8. Strategy 17. An S&P 500 trend pullback. 8 out of 8. 14 rejected. 3 approved. An 82% rejection rate. For comparison, most retail signal services I have seen would score 1 or 2 out of 8. Here's what I learned. The painful part. Most retail strategies, the ones sold in Discord groups, on YouTube, in courses, fail because they pass 1 or 2 of these tests. And 1 or 2 is enough to look good in a backtest screenshot. A profitable equity curve. A win rate over 60%. A "we made you money in 2023" to headline. But surviving 1 or 2 tests is not surviving the framework. A real trading edge needs to survive all 8. Not 7. Not mostly 8. All of them. Why? Because each test catches a different way you can lie to yourself. Walk forward catches overfitting in time. Parameter neighborhood catches overfitting in space. Monte Carlo catches survivorship bias in simulations. Take anyone out, and you've left an open door for the strategy to be wrong in a way you won't notice. If your strategy passed walk forward, but not parameter stability, it didn't pass. It just dodged the bullets it knew were coming. The bullets it didn't see were the ones that would kill it live. Now, here's why I'm telling you all of this. The 3 strategies that survived the framework are the 3 robots we ship in our TradingView Indicators panel. We call them MNQ, M2K, and MES, Micro NASDAQ, Micro Russell, Micro S&P 500. Each was built separately. Each passed all 8 tests. Each one is the strategy that survived after I killed 13 others on its index. Together, 2,830 hypothetical trades across 6 years, plus $891,000 hypothetical on 10 contracts. Locked parameters since 2020. No retuning. No additions. No, we updated the algorithm. But the dollar number isn't why I trust these robots. The scorecard is 3 robots, 24 pass results across the 8 tests. That's the only number that matters to me. Hypothetical backtest. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The full audit, with every test individually, is at algosentry.com/methodology. 2 asks before I sign off. First, the 8-test checklist I just walked through is now a free PDF. The link is in the description. Run your favorite strategy through it. Tell me what it scores. Second, drop your strategy in the comments. Each week I pick one and audit it publicly on this channel. Real test. Real score. Next episode, I'm taking the most upvoted strategy from r/algotrading this month and running it through all 8. AlgoSentry. Methodology over promises. See you next week. AlgoSentry. Methodology over promises. See you next week.